Hello class, I created this video to help with problem 13 from the 2-2 StatLab assignment. The question was actually with letter D. So in the beginning it looks like we're given some type of survey where adults spend, it looks like 2.45 hours watching TV on a weekday. We assume that the standard deviation is 1.93 hours. And you're given at first a random sample of 50 adults. When I look at part D, it looks like they've made a change to some of these numbers. It says that the random sample now, instead of being 50 adults, is 45 adults. And they say the average time they spend watching TV is 2.6 hours, right? The mean time is 2.6 hours. And we want to determine the likelihood of attaining a sample mean of 2.6 hours or less from a population whose mean is 2.45 hours, right? So we have two means, 2.06 and 2.45. So the population mean, right, is 2.45. So I need to open up StatCrunch. I think I can do that here. And then I want to look at my calculator. So I press Stat, Calculators. It's a normal calculator. And we can put in, whoops, I lost it. Hold on for a second. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, I got my normal calculator back. And I believe we were given the mean time for the population. The population mean was 2.45 hours. So I enter 2.45 in for mean. And we want to test or determine the probability or the likelihood that the mean time for this sample, this internet users group, was 2.06 hours or less. So I need to put in 2.06, and then this is or less, right? So the x, the mean, is going to be less than or equal to 2.06. And now for standard deviation, at first you might be tempted to put in this standard deviation of 1.93, but remember we have to divide that by the square root of n, and in this case n was 45. So to calculate my standard error or my new standard deviation, I take the 1.93 and divide by the square root of n was 45, to get 0.2877. So let's write that down. Okay, so I take the standard deviation, I divide by the square root of n was 45. This is my result. I paste that in for standard deviation, and then I press compute. So it looks like the probability is 0.0876. I think they asked us to go 4 decimal places. So let's just take a look. Yeah, it does say round to 4 decimal places. And that's my final answer. So I hope that helps. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.